guys, it's going to be a quick and straightforward installation guide so you can start your own portfolio website today. This project's built with Laravel 12 and it's very lightweight website, and also it is SEO friendly. It's a simple website, okay? And it has excellent performance scores when it comes to page speed, as you can see here. And yes, so to start, basically we'll need a hosting. I would highly recommend Hostinger. I myself use Hostinger for all my websites as well. So once you get your hosting, you will go to add website, custom PHP or HTML. And for this case, I'm gonna use a temporary domain since it's just a guide. And once you are here, basically we will need to create an empty database, right? So let me create an empty database for this. Alright, so we've got our database, it's empty, which we will be used for this website later on. So for now we will have to download it. I will leave all the links on the description so you can just download it. You can download it there. So just click download. It is an open source project, so basically you can download it on my GitHub, or you can change whatever you want, it's fine. So let's just download it. It's just 47, yeah, it's 47 MB. So let's go to the hosting, let's go to file manager. Now we will have to go to public HTML, go inside the public HTML folder, delete the default.php, and let's upload our website. So once you upload it, we will have to unzip it inside the public HTML. So let's try to... Okay, let's see if it's... Just put test here. Unzip it first. Okay. It's working, alright. So now you go to test, select all, Ctrl-A, move file to inside the public HTML. So we can delete this, it's empty. We can delete it. Go to public HTML, delete the zip too, and yeah, so basically once you download the website, you need to unzip the files inside the public HTML, okay? Once you are done with that, you can just visit the website URL, and we're gonna go through the installation now. Okay, all passes except symlink, which is fine. Okay. Continue to installation. So admin URL prefix, it's in case like, because admin is just too obvious, so maybe you want to change this to something else, like my admin URL, something. For now we'll leave it as here is the database name, the one we created. Let's go to database. Just copy this, paste it here, MySQL user, paste it here, and the password, the one we set before. If you forgot, you can just go back here and change password. You can just change it. It needs to be used here. So it's just migrating the tables. Okay, great. Let's check. Okay, very good. So let's access the admin dashboard. You can update this credential on the admin dashboard. So you can just upload your avatar, change the name, nationality, and everything else. Let's choose as a test. Go to. You can update the email and password here. Okay. And yeah, so very good. So basically, that's it. You are done. You just need to update everything else with your information, and you can write here if you want delete these ones, and also portfolio, delete these ones, and change everything according to your needs. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.